Hello everyone, Aquaba. This is Dap the Contract here, and we're right on time with Summertime. Peace and love.
Aquaba the Summertime, everyone. Upon 10, we are outside now. Now today, I'm talking to Mr. Dap the Contract. How you doing today?
I'm doing great. How you doing?
Now I'm doing amazing. Now let me ask you, how does it feel to be here performing tonight at the Palm Wine Festival?
It feels amazing. I've known these guys for a while, and I've loved them for a while, and their music for a while. You know, I've done a couple Palm Wine Fests in Nigeria and London and here. You know, so it feels like home.
Do you feel like it's harder to build a base abroad or back in your home?
I'd say it was more difficult before, but I think it's getting easier, and those bridges are being connected, whether it's to West Africa or South Africa, wherever in Africa, to Europe and to the US. So it's getting easier, thankfully. You know, we're doing our thing right now,
Yes.
Africans in music, so.
Oh yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Now, do you see yourself working with any Ghanaian artists?
Oh, I would love to. I want to work with Amare. I want to work with Effia. I'm going to work with Effia. We've already planned that out. There's a bunch of Super Jazz Club, if you know them. There's a couple Ghanaian artists I really want to work with, for sure.
right.
Yeah.
Now, how can we as Africans be able to support and encourage each other?
Just thinking about ourselves first, putting ourselves first. You know, when you get into rooms where you can really make a difference and make a change, remember your peoples, remember to put them on, mention their name. I think that's what it is. Just keeping us first, top of mind at all times.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, can you teach me 2 words from Nigeria?
2 words from Nigeria. Wahala. Okay, that's the first one. That's the first one.
That one I know. Wahala, trouble.
No wahala here. You okay? So you know wahala. And what else can I teach you? Faji. That's the name of. I performed an unreleased song, and it's gonna be called Faji.
Faji?
Faji, and it means like enjoyment. That's
Alright,
the
that's nice.
translation.
Now I'm going to teach you 2 words from Ghana.
Please do. Okay.
Aquaba, which I said earlier, which means
Hello,
welcome.
come, I'm a Ghan. Stop now. I'm a resident Ghanaian. Okay, what's the next one? Aquaba.
And then there's Etising, which means how are you?
Etise.
Etising.
Etise. Okay. Etise. Aquaba and Etise.
Yeah.
I can say them together. Hello, how are you? Aquaba, Etise.
So Aquaba is like welcome to a place. So like maybe if you're having a show, you can be like Aquaba everyone tonight.
Aquaba, Accra.
Yes.
Okay, manifesting. Okay.
Hopefully I'll be able to see you in Ghana performing.
Hopefully we can do this again.
Yes.
This is really fun. Thank you for interviewing me.
No, thank you for even taking the time out for me. I loved your performance. It was amazing.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
And until next time, on Summertime.